What is up guys, Stan at the side. So in this video I'm going to show you how to recover permanently deleted files and folders on Windows 11. So let's get started. So first head over to the Microsoft's button on the left side at the bottom, which is the start button, and from here search for Microsoft Store. And after that, when you open the Microsoft Store at the top in the search bar, click on it once and then find and type in Windows App Recovery. I'm sorry guys, you just need to type Windows File Recovery, and after that you will find this application of Windows File Recovery. And after getting this app, click on Get. Don't panic, this is the official application from Microsoft Corporation and this is free to use. After that, when you install the application, it will automatically open, but if it does not open automatically, you can just open it manually by clicking on this open button. That click on, and after clicking on yes, this will open in the command prompt of Windows. From here, you just need to type winfer as the first command, and after that the another command is winfer. After writing winfer, you need to give a space and then you need to see that in which drive all your files are. So if all your files are in C drive, you need to type in this C and then this colon, and then you need to give a space again, and then you need to write the destination driver where, let's say, you need to store the file on D drive. So give it a D, and after that you just need to give a space and then type /n, and after that you need to give the asterisk sign, and let's say you need to recover a PDF file, so just type in PDF, and after that when you are done simply hit enter. And after that, it's not passing my command because I haven't installed the winfer API, so you just need to install it. And from where you will install it, I'll show you. Come back to the Microsoft Store, and from here you can see the winfer GUI. From here you can click on this install and then you can install it on your PC or computer. And when you have installed it, this will run and this will ask you for a permission. And then if the command of /n asterisk PDF doesn't work, you can just type /n dot PDF. So this will also work. But if it still doesn't work, you just need to install the winfer API, and after that it will ask you permission of yes and no. Simply click on Y, and then this will recover all your files into your D drive on your computer. So that was all for this video everyone. Thank you for watching.